that came from.
I put on this 90s shirt and I was like, real 90s. Real 90s. Not really 90s. Well,
Los Angeles, California.
Hey guys. I'm just gonna go with it.
Yeah. All right, it's one of our favorite unboxings, and quick little side note of why you haven't seen it. Birchbox is on my no good list. My no fly list. It's not flying with me. December, they sent me an October box. January, they didn't send me a box until I emailed them and I said, hey, you charged me and you haven't sent my box, and it's the 25th and I normally have it way before now. So then they sent it to me and I got it in February. And February, they charged me and it was the 10th or 11th.
I'd already gotten mine.
Had not shipped, and they charged me and I was like, hey, it hasn't shipped yet. And they're like, 2 days later, they emailed and said, rest assured, it's on the way. It took 2 days to get to the post office. Whatever. That's what's been going on. If you're excited that
That's what's going on in our
box life.
Whatever. Or here's a peek out your window.
You're
am I doing two different people's?
I don't know. Are
Here's
you
what's
doing
going on in your neck of the woods, and then the chick goes, here's a peek out your window.
Okay. If you're excited that the unboxings are back, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It will also help us out greatly. And then
don't forget to subscribe and talk with your eyes closed, because Tracy was.
I was looking down.
Oh.
Because I was trying to remember what I was trying to say. But also, click the notification bell so that you're notified when we upload so you don't miss out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's jump right in. Actually, before we jump into Birchbox vs Ipsy, we're going to talk about another subscription that we're here for.
Because we need extra, because can you please?
That's not bad.
I don't think there's anything
That's
in
crazy.
it. Okay.
Rocks Box. This is a jewelry subscription. Love it. It's got designer pieces, $21 a month. You can do a quiz, then it's handpicked. You can make wish lists.
Yes.
Of
so
items
there's
you like.
items you're like, ooh, I really like that item. I would love to get it. You'll get a combination of your wish list items and some of the stylist picks for you.
So you can see those on the website. Bonus, you keep it as long as you like. So if you get a piece that you like, you're like, I'm going to keep that for a few months because Mom's got an event coming up in 2 months.
And I love this.
I want to wear this to the event.
Perfect.
You can do that. You can also apply the $21 you spend on a piece of jewelry to buy. Insane.
My feelings on how best to utilize it for me is like return it and get more.
Constantly, yes.
So you can have a revolving door of awesome jewelry pieces. So
also, it's
you
good
always have new hotness.
if you're the kind of person, and I've always struggled with this. I wear something a couple times, newness wears off, ready for the next,
There you
right?
go.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Yeah. Also, if you guys are interested in checking out Rocksbox, you can get your first month for free if you use code 11thgorgeous
We'll have it down below. First jewelry. But like, I want to frame that. That's cute.
We need to take a picture like that.
Cute.
Cute. Okay, I don't want to know what's inside,
Okay.
but it talks about how it works and stuff. So we'll look at that after we're done, just in case we don't want to spoil it.
Super cute.
It comes packaged in like neat little.
Sometimes it has
bags.
like the brand also.
Right, like I have a Kinder
It
Scott one,
depends.
which I want to open. I'm real excited to see what it is. First is, oh my god, it's so cute. I want to keep it. Oh my god, how pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's gorgeous. It is a beautiful Kinder Scott necklace. Lenore necklace in golden iridescent druzy.
So pretty.
Wow, it retails for $75.
I don't know.
Gorgeous.
This is a brand, Hamsa. It's real pretty. It's Rudiment Ashbury necklace in gold. The retail price is $70.
That's another thing. For $21, you're getting really nice jewelry in.
Okay, it feels real
That
nice.
just like, it's nice.
So cute.
Let me see.
Just a little bit like that, I think.
It's so pretty. Oh my
It's
god.
really pretty.
Oh, fun.
Oh, fun. Those are fun, summery, resorty
They
earrings.
look like candy. Perry Street Dixie Drops in Fuchsia. Retail price is $30. Oh, so there's a retail price and then a member price. The retail is $50. The member price is $35.
Like, I love little dangly bits that are just like little pops of like sparcle.
It kind of
that are like
makes me think of
lightweight.
Cinderella. Like
Those are
actually,
those are really pretty.
It's also kind of like my birthstone.
They also have like a little bitty, I think these are Kate Spade little dangle bit earrings. I always call them little dangle bit. These are
come mine's
$48.
March?
The member price would be $200, but you can buy all 3 pieces for $170.
Okay, so this goes really well with the Kinder Scott necklace. It is Lauren Hope, the Octavia cuff in white iridescent, and it's real pretty. Yeah,
That's really pretty.
it's real pretty. Real pretty.
That's a Lauren Hope one too. That's gorgeous.
Right? I dang love it.
This one's more of just like a clear crystal. It's Lauren Hope. It's the small, I think it's Sarah cuff in crystal. Retail price is $98. So pretty.
I like it with all of your stacks.
I know, like stacks on stacks on stacks.
Yeah.
That's really pretty.
Real pretty. There's a prepaid label where you can send it back. Everything's reusable, so it's like once you're done and you're ready for more, you just pack it all back in the box, put it in your bag, which is resealable, and then put the prepaid label on there, and you're good to go.
And with our code, you can try it for free.
Yeah.
So you're not even locked in. Like, you can try it, see if you like it, donezo.
Yeah.
So there's your earrings.
Oh, those are my earrings.
Are right here.
Yeah. All right, we'll have all the information you need to know down in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Okay, we're not talking about Birchbox first because I'm a little annoyed at Birchbox.
Wait, so your turn. We're going
Yeah.
with Ipsy.
Ipsy, but I'm also going to be annoyed because there's like nothing in this bag.
But it's a cute... It's okay. It kind of looks like lingerie.
Oh my goodness.
Lingerie.
There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here.
There's something in mine.
You go first. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna reach in, pull out. Don't even look. Just reach in, pull out.
Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour replenishing hydrator. Is this like your moisturizer that you would use or no? No, this is the pink stuff. That's cool though.
But like, it would have been cooler if it was bigger.
If it was like the actual size of the box instead of like half the size of the box. Like, why do they need the rest of that box? Like, look, why do they need that?
Why do they need it?
Why do they need it? Why do they need it? It's a cool sample to get though. Good brand.
Okay, a double-ended Luxie brush. Okay, I'm not really that mad at that.
That's kind of fun
Because
actually.
Luxie's a good brush. It's double-ended.
That's crease. That could be lid or like underneath or something.
Not totally mad about that actually.
I got a brush also. Farrah.
It's real pretty.
I don't know what Farrah is.
Purple.
Real purple. Anyways, it looks like a good blush brush. It feels real good. It's funky.
Yeah, it does feel real soft.
Yeah, I think that'd be a good blush brush. Maybe I have a new blush brush now.
All right.
That will never look dirty.
Bang Beauty. This is a blush. It is in the color Smoked Peach.
Be pretty, be pretty, be
Sounds
pretty.
familiar. Yeah. Looks like NARS Orgasm-y.
Yeah, it's real pretty. Little swatches, watch it poo.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's got like a kind of a
Good
gold
summer.
reflect to it. Not totally mad at that.
She's not mad at that.
Not so mad so far.
This is Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush
I want it to be pretty.
with ginger, lychee, mangosteen, and chamomile extracts. It better smell good.
Pretty. I just smelled mine to see if it smelled good. It didn't.
Ta-da.
It smelled like kind of like,
I hate getting these packages. I always like ruin
Rip
my
'em.
cuticles.
yeah.
Oh, it's okay. It's Seraphine Botanicals. I wonder if it smells good. Oh my god, it smells amazing.
I don't believe you.
It smells like nothing. So disappointing. It's pretty though.
Yeah.
I mean, like, it's a good light glow.
I think I like mine more.
I like mine more. Yeah.
Okay, what is this? Marsk Sydney London. It's like a gunmetal-y foiled again. That's the color of it. It's like a gunmetal silver. I really don't want to open this only because,
Pigment everywhere.
yeah, I don't like loose shadows. Stephanie and I went on a like loose shadow kick back in the like
Beginnings of
2009,
YouTube?
2010, 2011. Yeah, like we were buying all the loose shadows. Did we use any of them?
No.
No.
This is a lip scrub. Naked Cosmetics.
Oh, nice. I don't have that.
That's like OG YouTube.
Oh, gee. I remember they were at IMAX and everybody wanted to get the 6 stack of shadows because you could get them like
my
such
God.
a discounted price.
Vanilla cream. Yeah.
It's good stuff.
I need that. My lips are real dry. It's like, you know, basic.
Basic. Okay, this is Spot On Targeted Skin Brightening Serum. Imblica Fruit Extract Multivitamin C. It's fine. Cleanse face, pat dry, apply spot on. Are we doing Birchbox? Because these samplers are teeny.
Right?
So
Tiny.
teeny. Teeny.
All right. Trust Fund Beauty. This is nail polish. I used to get excited about nail polish, but that was like back in the day when we would get some like Essie or like.
Yeah.
Did you ever get Essie?
We
Not
got some of
Essie.
those. OPI, China Glaze. We got Rumbly Tumbly. 2010
Wine o'clock.
Ox Blood.
2010 called. They want their Oxblood nail polish back. I don't know. It might be trendy again. Are we being better
But also
buddies
we're
today?
going into
Maybe.
spring. We're going
yeah,
into spring.
that's true. Why is this in February? This is like an October
Yeah.
color. No thing.
All right, I got
Womp womp.
this Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint in the color Tehran. Tehran?
I'm trying to do it like Hey Juan from Sisters. Hey Juan.
Tehran.
Like Hey Juan. Hey Juan. It's a liquid lip.
Yeah,
Ooh, beautiful.
pretty.
Yeah, you're trying to hold in that smile. Yeah, you like it. She likes it.
It would go real good with this 90s vibe we're rocking today.
She likes it. Okay, a Birchbox.
Yeah, let's
they
get
didn't.
right into
they didn't
it.
do me wrong, so I'm not super like biased. Like I'm not gonna be like hating on them. So mine's strictly product related. Oh, it says sleep. Wait, it says something else in there too. Sleep in, do a face mask, go for a hike, take a road trip, blah blah blah. Follow your heart.
Oh, look, let's just
Holy
start with what's
moly.
on top.
Like, look.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I have this Smashbox Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. Not mad about that.
Not mad about that either.
Yeah.
I wish I had that.
A nice
Jeez.
black. Okay.
Well, I have a mascara called Ultimate Volume Nano. It's by Marcel Beauty.
You didn't want to open it so I could smell it?
Dang it, girl. It doesn't smell ozone-y.
It might. You don't have to. You don't have to.
I got it.
I want you to hurt your nails.
My nail? Really? You're missing.
I mean, I definitely meant your teeth. Your teeth aren't missing.
why do they have easy open tabs? It's not easy. They never work. Am I right? Do you feel me?
I feel you.
They never tear.
Never.
Ever. Ever.
Ever.
Like, what is... It doesn't smell ozone-y. Maybe it does want. Is that your favorite? Is that your
it's
favorite?
so good.
Get you some of that. Okay. All right, go. Okay, go.
All right, MAC.
Jeez, girl.
Strobe cream in pink light.
You got me. I think they're trying to make nice.
Trying.
What is that again? Prime?
Strobe cream.
Strobe cream.
It's like a highlight. You're just like,
I don't think you just...
Why
It's
not?
real liquidy.
what's wrong with that?
You can break down your makeup if it's too liquidy.
Whatever. I'm not going anywhere.
You're already somewhere. And you're probably going to Cece's.
Hey. Go. That's what I got. And I'm real happy about it.
I'm pretty bitter about this. Yeah, I'm bitter about this.
You got 2 strikes in your box.
Yeah, this is annoying. These are not 2 separate products because I'm not going to use the shampoo and the conditioner separately, okay? They're together. And if this is too much money to put in a box, don't do it.
Steph also doesn't like getting shampoo and conditioner in boxes.
I mean, I don't really. This says it's argan oil and lavender. It says Love, Beauty, and Planet. And it says calming definition for frizzy hair. I mean, no. There's like a hint of hope, and then lavender shows up to the party.
I kind of don't hate it.
But you smell the hint of hope.
Yeah, it smells pretty good.
Wish it wasn't
not mad about
lavender. It's not the worst herbally
Yeah.
shampoo and conditioner, but also like I don't really feel like I got frizzy hair. But I mean, I could take a little smoothing action on the damagedness,
Yeah.
so maybe that'll be good. I'm just a little bitter that like I get 2 separate products in that because it's like
Bitter Betty, Party of One.
the whole point is like you're getting a box with 5 individual products to try.
Right.
These are not individual. They're married. They're married.
I got Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray.
Good stuff.
Yeah, I'm not mad at it. Smells good.
Yes. Can I have it?
No, I don't have enough leave-in conditioning sprays.
I got some perfume.
We hate perfume
But
samples.
no, I don't hate them. I hate them when
do.
they're stinky.
Stop.
And Toka, you can get it
Sephora.
So I feel like if I like it, I can.
Tempting blood orange and spicy lily flirt with white freesia and sensual sandalwood. That blood orange coming through real strong.
I don't hate it though.
Maybe it'll calm down to something not so stanky.
I don't know. It's very summery for sure.
I got 2 hair products in mine. Thickening spray, pre-styler.
You're not mad at it. It's
Bumble and
bumble.
bumble.
You're not mad at it. Your box
I'm a little
is
bit mad at it
awesome.
because I'm afraid to put stuff in my hair before I...
Then give it all to me.
Unless it's a... You don't want thickening spray.
I'm not talking about that. You said you're afraid to put stuff in your hair at all.
Unless it's a leave-in conditioner.
Oh God.
Are you done?
No. I got Wonder Eye Cream, 99% natural by Balance Me.
I think we've done that before. Okay, I got this little Foreo Day and Night Cleanser foil packets. And then...
But that was on top of your...
And then I got Ducci Luscious Lip Stain.
You basically got 6.
In Steaming Red. That sounds like a terrible color name. Steaming Red? Doesn't that sound terrible?
But like, why do you get a bonus and I don't get a bonus?
Does it say bonus on mine?
Yes.
Maybe they wanted to give me a good box because
No,
it
you
was
see that?
so
It says
light.
bonus. I'm bitter.
Also, like, the full-size prices of yours is not very much.
No.
Except for the perfume, but that doesn't...
This full size is $9.
Because listen to mine. 20, 30, 28, 33, 18.
Yeah, no.
29, 9, 9,
I would
15.
never pay $29 for that.
Yeah.
It's cute though.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
First
Neither.
box, but kind of draw.
Mine both lose on draw of
Yeah.
suckiness.
Oh man, we're super bitter today.
I can't help it. Okay, the things I'm excited about in my Birchbox. Okay, I don't mind the shampoo and conditioner. They're okay. Perfume smells good. I don't really care about this under eye cream, and I don't really care about mascara. I don't like getting mascaras. Ipsy, the blush is okay. It felt a little chalky. The moisturizer was tiny. Blush, this awesome. Excited about that. Nail polish, wrong season.
I'm not gonna go through all of mine.
And that I'm excited about. But
just know that I lean towards Birchbox, but they're very close to me. Size-wise, everything very close.
Nothing stood out for me, which is why I'm calling it a draw.
Yeah.
I wasn't excited about either of them.
Yeah.
But you were a little more excited towards Birchbox.
I mean, Smashbox.
As much as you don't want to give it to them.
Smashbox, and I said leaning towards Birchbox.
I know. I'm just saying, like, as much as they, like,
no, actually, I
right?
picked Birchbox as my winner, leaning towards a draw. MAC and Smashbox, excited to see those in there. And Bumble and Bumble's a good brand. They're all good. I'm not mad, and that's what I think. We want to know which box do you think is better? Birchbox or Ipsy? Leave it in the comments, and don't forget to check out that coupon code to Roxbox. First month, you can try it for free. Why wouldn't you? All right, guys, we're gonna have all that down in the description. If you have any questions, check there first. Your questions might be answered.
Yes, and if not, ask us down below in the comments, and we'll try to answer them.
Don't forget to like the video, click the notification bell, subscribe, and we're gonna talk to you guys in another video
super soon.
We sure will.
Whenever we say like a video, my brain still wants to say thumbs up because it sounds like two different things. I don't know why. All right, guys, we'll talk to you guys soon.
We sure will.
Bye, guys.
Bye. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch more Birchbox vs. Ipsy unboxing videos, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click that circular channel icon and it will sub you right up.